Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. This is the second video of React course. In this video, I'm talking about how we can to prepare our computer or our PC for React using. If you want to start learning React, you need to prepare your PC for React using. You need to download and install nodejs. Nodejs is nothing but nodejs is JavaScript runtime environment. We use React. React is a JavaScript library. In this case, we need to download and install nodejs in our computer. Also, we need to install npm node package manager. And after this, we need to create React application by create react app command in CMD. So how we can to do this all, I will explain in this video. Let's start. First, you need to download and install nodejs from nodejs.org website. Open this website and scroll down. Find this option node.js includes npm mean node package manager and this version. Just click on this link. Node.js will be direct. Start downloading, and after downloading, just install this node.js on your PC. After installation of node.js, you need to open CMD on your computer like this, and just run here node-v mean node version. You will see version of node.js if node.js was installed on your PC. And after this, just write here npm-version. Also npm install on my PC, and this is version of npm. Now I can create React application in my device, and I can use React in my PC with any code editor. Like I want to create one or first React application. So how we can to do this? Just write here first select address or path. Where do you want to create your React project? I want to create my React project in this directory. First I want to copy this address and open CMD and write here cd space Ctrl V and press enter. Now I am in desktop and also in that directory. So after this, just write here npx create react app space, and now select name for your project or for your React application. I want to select React course. Press enter. This process may take around 3 or 4 minutes, and I will pause recording when this process or installing this package completed. I will come back. So finally, this process completed. The React application created successfully. Now we can run this application. We can edit and update this application, and also we can delete this application. We can run this application just when first I need to enter to main directory, project directory, React course. Okay, now I am in my project directory. Now I can to start this project. npm start. Now we will see output of this application in any browser I have in this PC. In this stage, we will get to this output in Google Chrome because I selected Chrome for default browser. We will see now output of this application. This is our React application output. After this, you need one thing more to do. You need one code editor to edit your code, React code or your React application in it. I will use in this case Visual Studio code editor. Just open Visual Studio and select open folder, and find here your React application which you created from create React app command. I will select from React folder, and name of it was React course. Select folder and open this in Visual Studio Code. So this all directories and file are about our project. I will briefly explain this all. The first directory or folder is node models. Here we have all models we will use in React application. These all dependencies and sub-dependencies are about our project, and we need to this. And also we have another directory named for public. and here we have favorite icon which will show in the browser. And also we have index.html file, one.html file, because this is single page application. If we have multi-page application, we need to have multiple HTML files. After this we have a manifest.json file, and also we have another directory by name src main source, and this is the main directory. We will work in this directory, or we will create all files, all components in this directory. Here we have app.js file. We will import all parts of our application here, and we will see after importing here, we will see all parts in the browser. And we have also app.css styling for app.js, and I will remove this without the first one and save this. And also we have app.test.js. we will use this in the later of this course. Also we have index.js. here we have root element, and also we have react DOM, and also we have render method here, and we have imported app and this index.js file. Also we have index.css file style for this index.js. also we have logo.svg. I will remove this because we don't use this, and I also want to remove f.cs logo from this file. And also we have package.json file. here are also all dependencies of our project, and also we have scripts of our project. we can use these scripts like npm start, npm build, npm test, npm eject, and dependencies like this, react and react DOM, react scripts, and also name of our project. These are files and directories are about our project. Now I want to change just app.js file. If you change something here in app.js file, you will see output in browser like I want to show to you. I want to remove this header, and after this just I want to use one header like hello react, and save this file. Now we will see in browser. Okay, we have hello react. So friend, this was the second video of React learning course. We will start creating React component and other component of React. In the next video we will start learning of React.js. Thank you for watching.